The all-new Tucson has grown a lot. The lengthened wheelbase is the largest in its class. Four 190-centimeter tall adults can ride together comfortably, thanks to the 8-centimeter increased second legroom. Folding and unfolding the second row is simple and easy. The fold and dive seats are perfect for large cargo or camping in your car. The cargo space was made longer, wider, and higher, allowing you to load up to 23% more cargo. Whenever you want to get out of the city to go camping or travel, take your most trusted companion. Good doors. You can see the fine and smart considerations just by looking at the doors of the all-new Tucson. The clean single-panel doors are not only nice to look at, but also good for rigidity and sound insulation. The underdoor wrap keeps your pants clean and shortens the side sill to prevent tripping when getting in and out of the car. The hinge side strap is thicker to reduce noise, and the handle side strap is thinner to make it easier to close the door. The bottle pocket is large enough to hold a 1-liter bottle. Feel the subtle details down to every nook and corner. Good tailgate. Some find it inconvenient to open and close an SUV's tailgate. The all-new Tucson's tailgate is more convenient for everyone. The first in-class protruding grip handle is much easier to hold and lower the tailgate. You can pick either 4.5 seconds or 6 seconds for the open-close speed on the navigation screen. And can also set the opening height, choosing between 4 levels. Feel the small differences for everyone. See, hear, and touch. Everything you see, hear, and touch is more enjoyable with the all-new Tucson. The tidy open cluster is close and clear. The close navigation screen can be easily reached within 1 second. The touch-tight buttons are easy, quick, and precise to control. The large and colorful display is intuitive. Various cluster themes and mood lamp are pleasant for your eyes. Six different sounds of nature help you relax. Bose 8 speakers offer strong and balanced sound. Enjoy elegant driving experience thanks to the all-new Tucson's high-tech display and premium sound. Super Smart Air Conditioning. Did you know? The place you spend the most time after home and work is your car. That is why clean and pleasant air within the car is essential for your health and happiness. Meet the all-new Tucson Smart Air Conditioning technologies. Mold proliferating in the evaporator core of an air conditioning system can cause a bad smell. The all-new Tucson automatically operates ventilation for 10 minutes, 30 minutes after you shut off the car, to dry out any remaining moisture inside the air conditioning system. Fine dust is especially harmful to children and the elderly. The all-new Tucson shows you the fine dust level using 4 different colors and turns on the air filtration mode when it's needed. Have you ever been startled seeing washer fluid come into your car during outside air mode? The all-new Tucson automatically switches the car to inside air mode when washer fluid is sprayed, so it doesn't enter inside the car. It's convenient to always switch to inside air mode when entering a tunnel, right? The all-new Tucson uses information from the navigation system to automatically switch to inside air mode when entering tunnels. If you don't like dry airflow hitting your skin directly, press the multi-air mode button. Mild winds will spread through the hidden air vents and maintain a pleasant temperature. It's a hassle to turn on the AC, heating, cooling seats, and steering wheel's heat, isn't it? When you start up the all-new Tucson, the car references your desired temperature, outside-inside temperature, and solar radiation quantity, and turns on features considered necessary. It has been inconvenient to manually lower the wind speed that was too strong in the automatic air conditioning mode, right? With the all-new Tucson, you can choose from 3 different automatic wind adjustment ranges, so even those who don't like strong wind can enjoy the auto mode. Say, make it blow stronger when drying your hair. Say, turn on the handle heater if your hands are cold. Say, turn on the seat ventilation if your back is sweating. If you say, make it warm, the all-new Tucson will automatically turn on the heater, heated seats, and the heated steering wheel. Enjoy clean and fresh air in the all-new Tucson and stay healthy and happy. Hyundai Smart Sense. Kids. The all-new Tucson is especially safe for kids. Leaving a child alone in the back seat can be dangerous even in a short period of time. The all-new Tucson urges the driver to check the back seat with a cluster pop-up message and alarm when the driver opens the door. Also, if movement is detected using the ultrasonic sensor once the door is locked, the horn is honked, emergency lights are turned on, and a text message is sent to inform that there is someone in the back seat. If there is a vehicle approaching from the rear sides when a child opens the door to get out, the all-new Tucson detects this and sends a warning message and sounds off an alarm. The all-new Tucson is safer for your child. Hyundai Smart Sense. Safety. It is very important to protect passengers from accidents, but it is much better to prevent accidents altogether. The all-new Tucson has one of the best crash safety performance ratings, and various advanced driver assistance systems from Hyundai have also been applied. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist uses the forward camera and radar to detect cars, people, and bikes and helps with braking. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist helps with differential braking to prevent hitting an oncoming car in the blind spot when changing lanes. Blind Spot View Monitor shows double the area compared to the outside mirror and also offers a clear view even when it's raining. Surround View Monitor shows the front, back, side, and top views clearly, making not only parking but also passing narrow alleys more convenient. If driver attention warning determines that you are dozing off, it recommends that you take a rest. You're alerted when the vehicle stopped in front of you departs. Hyundai Smart Sense safety system shows, tells, and stops you when necessary. Both new and experienced drivers can feel at ease when driving the all-new Tucson. Hyundai Smart Sense. Convenience. Do you still think that autonomous driving is something of the far future? Enjoy best-in-class driver assist system with the all-new Tucson. Smart Cruise Control adjusts not only speed, but also forward distance, so greatly reduces the fatigue in your calves. When the car in front of you stops and goes in 3 seconds, your car also stops and goes. Based on the navigation information, your car automatically decelerates in safety zones and curves on highways. Lane following assist function helps you easily drive in the center of your lane. Highway driving assist lets you experience a whole new world with relaxed shoulders and legs, especially on long-distance drives. Remote Smart Parking Assist is extremely useful when parking in or getting out of narrow areas. Hyundai Smart Sense driving convenience system. While some have yet to try it, you can't give it up once you do. Enjoy comfortable driving for everyone in any situation with the all-new Tucson.